Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Matar Aloo and Chicken recipe. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: here I have taken half kilo chicken. I have washed it nicely. Here I have taken two big onions and I have sliced them. Coriander powder, I'll use half a teaspoon. Cumin powder, I'll use half a teaspoon. Garam masala powder, I will use 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt as per our taste. Here I have taken 250 grams of fresh green peas. You can also use frozen green peas, 2 bay leaves. I'll use mustard oil for cooking. I'll use near about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Here I have sliced 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Here I have taken 4 cardamoms and I have slit them from the center, and 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 dried red chilies. This is a little bit of fresh coriander leaves. Here I have cut potatoes. I have taken 2 big potatoes and I have cut them into round like this and little bit thick. It is little bit thick. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now, apart from all these ingredients, we are going to use water. So now let's get started. So friends, here I have heated, as you can see smoke coming out, I have heated 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. First I will put the 2 bay leaves. Then I will put the cinnamon stick and the cardamoms in the oil. Let it splatter for some time, reduce the flame, and now I'm going to add the sliced onions. And I will cook this onion till it becomes slightly transparent. As our onions are ready now, I'll reduce the flame and I will add the ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then I will add the coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, now turmeric powder, and I will saute this for some time. To let it get cooked properly, I will add the sliced tomatoes, 2 dried red chilies, and for the tomato to get cooked faster, I'm going to add salt as per our taste. Mix this and let it get cooked for some time. Just little bit we will make this tomato get cooked, so put the flame into medium high and let it get cooked. Now friends, as you can see, our masala is cooked perfectly, started leaving oil. The moisture in the masala that you can see is because of the tomatoes. Now I will add the chicken pieces into this masala, and I will mix it with the masala, and I will cook this for another 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes of roasting, friends, you can see water came out from the chicken. I'm going to add the green peas and mix them. And cook for another 2 minutes. After sauteing the green peas matar for 2 minutes, I am going to add water to this recipe. I will add 2 cups of water. Increase the flame, and then now I am going to add the sliced potatoes. Just push it in the curry. So that it gets cooked. We'll add little bit of fresh coriander leaves now. Not all, just little bit, just for the flavor. And then we'll cover this and cook on a high flame till our potatoes are done. Now friends, after cooking it for some time, my potatoes and my chicken and the matar, peas, it's all cooked properly. As you can see, now I'm going to add the garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon, and you can also taste the salt now, friends. If you feel you have to add more salt, you can add the salt now. Add the fresh coriander leaves now. And cover this over a high flame and cook it for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, friends, you can see the garam masala is also mixed properly. Everything is done and our curry is ready now. So we will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our chicken matar aloo ready. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Do try this recipe, friends, at home and let me know how you liked it. Till then, see you soon. Bye.